This video is to show you how to get back on track if the TV loses its signal. First of all, you're going to need the TV remote. TV remote is under the TV and it's the one that says Sony. What you're going to do is hit the menu button . You're going to see some choices. As soon as you do that, external inputs is what you want. So hit the center button on the TV remote. And you'll see some choices coming up. So you just down arrow, that's that button, down, down, until you hit until you see satellite, video 8. Then you press the center button. And you're done. Back watching TV like nothing ever happened.